I just found this, so let's make some traditional Irish coffee. For Irish coffee you need only 4 ingredients: good Irish whiskey, strong coffee, sugar and double cream. First of all, take a glass and heat it with hot water. This will help the coffee stay warm for longer. As we wait for the glass to warm, let's talk a little about the history of Irish coffee. Irish coffee dates back to the golden age of air travel and to Foynes airport in the west of Ireland, which was the first European stop for the great transatlantic flying boats. One particular flight had to return due to bad weather, leaving the passengers tired and miserable. Legend has it that Joe Sheridan, the airport's chef and barman, was asked to make something to make the travellers feel better, and with a touch of inspiration he added whisky to coffee and in an instant made a drink that would revive the weary passengers, give them energy and make them feel good. And so Irish coffee was born. We drain the water and throw in a fair portion of Irish whiskey. We prepare the coffee separately, making sure to add plenty of sugar. Then we pour the coffee onto the whiskey. You should not mix or stir the coffee. And now we add good quality double cream, preferably not whipped. Using a spoon, barely touch the top of the coffee and then slowly and carefully pour the cream over the back of the spoon and wait till there's an even layer. In a good pub, the customer would not accept the coffee if the cream mixed with the coffee at this stage. The finished coffee should look like a good pint of Guinness. With the first sip we taste the cool cream, then the warm coffee and finally the whiskey. Sláinte.